Hello students, today we are going to discuss the next part of the classification of the rock, that is we are going to discuss about the metamorphic rock. Now what is this metamorphic rock? The metamorphic rock, it is formed due to the transformation of existing rock types. That means that metamorphic rock is not actually a new rock, it is already existing rock, means igneous rock, sedimentary rock, whatever rocks are existed in the earth, that will be transformed, and the process it's called metamorphism. Metamorphism means change in the form. The original rock is subjected to heat or the pressure and causing the physical or the chemical changes. In this way only the sedimentary rock and igneous rock changes and the metamorphic rock forms. The definition of the metamorphism. Now what is this metamorphism? Metamorphism means it is a process. The alternation of the pre-existing igneous, sedimentary and the metamorphic rock by the application of the heat or the pressure, it's called metamorphism. But in this case complete melting doesn't occur in the rock. You can see a picture of a metamorphic rock. There are three agents of the metamorphism: temperature, pressure and something that is chemically active fluids. Metamorphic rock, the word metamorphic means change in the form, and this change occurred due to the PVT changes, that means pressure, volume and the temperature changes. Metamorphic morphism occurred when the rocks are forced down to the lower level of the tectonic processes, or the molten magma rising through the crust comes in contact with the rocks, or the underlying rocks are subjected to great amount of pressure by overlying rocks. It means that when this metamorphism occurs when the rocks are, sometimes it could be possible, sometimes rocks are forced to get inside the earth surface, or sometimes it is happen when the magma occur, or when the lava comes outside from a volcanic eruption, or from the crust only. So this crustal rock can get some changes due to the presence of those magma. Sometimes it is happens that due to the pressure of the overlying rocks also, the rocks which are underneath, their changes their characteristics. Metamorphism is a process by which already consolidated rocks undergoes recrystallization and reorganization of the materials within the original rocks. Now the types of metamorphism: mechanical disruption or reorganization of the original material within the rock due to the breaking down and the crushing without any chemical changes is called dynamic metamorphism. So one of the type of the metamorphism is dynamic metamorphism. The material of the rocks chemically altered and recrystallized due to the thermal metamorphism. So here are two types of the metamorphism. One is the dynamic metamorphism where there will be no changes chemically, and thermal metamorphism where chemically change occur. There are two types of the thermal metamorphism, that is the contact metamorphism and in the regional metamorphism. What is this contact metamorphism? Contact metamorphism means when rocks are comes in contact with hot magma or the lava. So what will happen? The recrystallization occur due to this high temperature. Sometimes it has happened some new material which are coming outside by this lava or the magma, that could be added with the rocks also. This is the example, or this is called contact metamorphism. Now what is this regional metamorphism? Regional metamorphism, rocks again recrystallization occur in the rocks, but due to deformation caused by the tectonic shearing together with high temperature and pressure both. The process of metamorphism in some rocks, grains or the minerals get arranged in the layer or the lines. And this arrangement of the minerals or the grains in layers or the lines, it's called foliation or lineation. Sometimes minerals of different group arranged into alteration to the thick layers appearing in light and dark shades. Such structure of the metamorphism is called banding of the rocks, and rocks displaying banding are called banded rocks. Basically, the metamorphism or the types of the metamorphism depend on the original rocks which are subjected to metamorphism only. Classification of the metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are classified into two types. One is the foliated rocks, another one is the non-foliated rocks. Now, what is this foliated rocks? The meaning of the foliated rock is it is a special type of the metamorphic rock which having some repeatedly layers or which having some layers. These layers form as conditions change for each layer of the rock. And non-foliated means this non-foliated metamorphic rock, they do not have the layer within itself. You can see a picture, the first one where you can see the layers are present, this is a foliated rock, and the second one where no layer is present, that is a non-foliated rock. So this is the classification of the metamorphic rock. Here some examples of the metamorphic rocks are there. The original rock, and after metamorphism the new rock. The pre-existing rock, it is a basalt. You know basalt is a igneous rock. After metamorphism it became schist, that is a metamorphic rock. Second one, clay sandstone sedimentary rock, it became quartzite. Then grabo is a igneous rock. Grabo transferred to the gneiss is a metamorphic rock. Coal, you know coal is a sedimentary one. Graphite is a metamorphic rock. Conglomerate is a sedimentary rock. Gneiss again is a metamorphic rock. So these all are the examples of the metamorphism in the rocks. So for today this much only. Thank you so much.